All right, there's the view from our Charlottesville camera. Some breaks in the cloud cover, but not a whole lot until you go farther west. Even those areas that have cleared out, we'll see the clouds fill back in once again. Let's take a look at some of the numbers across the region. Some locations did touch that 70-degree mark, especially in the Shenandoah Valley. We're 65 right now in Charlottesville, at 64 in Louisa, 62 in Buckingham, and 58 there on the mountain at Wintergreen. Now tonight, the clouds fill back in. Temperatures similar to where they were this morning. Most of us in the middle to some lower 50s, and there'll be some areas of fog. Some of us awoke to that dense fog this morning, and we'll likely have more tomorrow, at least early in the day. Now tomorrow, our wind direction's a little bit more southerly, and even though we'll have variable cloud cover, temperatures for most of us should climb in the lower 70s during the day tomorrow. We're dry during the day. It'll be tomorrow night late and into Thursday, and at least through midday on Friday, that our rain chances will increase across the region, and that will be the combination of a front and what is left, or the remnants of Zeta, which is currently a tropical storm, is set to become a hurricane again, make a landfall tomorrow night, and that moisture is going to rapidly shoot up across the southeast and into the mid-Atlantic. So our focus will be on Thursday certainly, and at least through midday on Friday. Temperatures may come up a little bit tomorrow, and then we'll be in the upper 60s to maybe near 70 on Thursday, and then in the cooler 50s here by Friday afternoon. So in terms of rainfall amounts, generally speaking, about 1 to 3 inches of rain is expected. This is the European model, and yesterday it was showing that higher band as I showed you farther north and west. Now it's come a little farther south and east. The American GFS model is similar to the European model. So again, this amount of rain over a longer period of time wouldn't be a problem, but if it comes down too heavily or all at once, we could certainly have some flash flooding issues. And so a flood risk outlook, it covers a large portion of our part of the Commonwealth, and so that potential is there for at least some urban and rural flooding, especially small creeks and streams and other low-lying areas. Currently, the severe risk is a little farther south and east, but any deviation in the track, we could still have maybe some damaging wind gusting. You can never rule out an isolated spin-up tornado from the remnants of a tropical system. Now here's the visible satellite picture. You see some breaks that have developed here this afternoon. And again, even though you see some sunshine, the clouds are going to fill back in. Things are quiet on NBC29's exclusive dual-pole triple Doppler radar. A front is stalled now across the mid-Atlantic. At the same time, we have an upper-level low pressure that's out across the desert southwest, and another icing event is ongoing across Oklahoma. And then we've got Tropical Storm and Hurricane Zeta in the Gulf of Mexico. Look at that contrast in the temperatures right now. So again, this upper low is going to pick up the remnants of Zeta and race it off to the north and east, and that moisture will overspread a large portion of the southeast, Tennessee River Valley, mid-Atlantic, up into the northeast as we get into the day on Thursday. So Futurecast is quiet tonight. Temperatures in the morning will start in the 50s. Tomorrow afternoon, we're in the lower 70s. And then here comes the rain starting tomorrow evening. But by Thursday, we're dealing with periods of heavy rain, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Tonight, mostly cloudy, areas of fog. We're in the mid to lower 50s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We'll watch the end of the week dealing with the front and the remnants of Zeta. It'll make way for a nice weekend, albeit much cooler. And don't forget, we fall back 1 hour early Sunday morning.